let's understand how we can have serial number in our MS Excel report in a dynamic way. To make you understand this, I'm taking an example of a school data in which a school is maintaining records of the students who are going for picnic. So let's start this. In the first column we have serial number, and this is the most common way which we use to have serial numbers in our reports. Then we have student's roll number, and then we have student's name. Let me also make a copy of this data to compare it later on. Now, however, student Madhu, she is not interested to go for the picnic now and she is denied, so we need to delete this record. She is at serial number 4. Let's delete it. Okay, so after deleting we do not have serial number 4. One of our record has been deleted but serial number has not been changed. This is not the correct way. So how we can overcome this problem? We will use row function. So now how row can help us for this? Row function returns the row number of a reference, or we can say row number of a active cell. Active cell in my case is at 6. So here the answer should come 6. Yes, we got it. Let me try this function once again with a different column and the same row. Here the answer again should come 6. Yes, we received it. Let me try this function with another row and same column. The row number is 9. The answer should come 9. Yes, we received it. Hope you understood the functionality of this function. Now let me try this function here. Now if I press enter, I will get answer 4 because my active cell is B4. Now, but because I want 1, so I need to deduct 3 from the values. Here I got the correct serial number. Let me drag it to have data in another cells. Now, you see, in total I have 8 records, right? Now I delete Madhu from the report. Now you see my serial number has been automatically changed, and this is the way which we can use, and our serial number will always be proper. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. Thank you. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.